Okay, here's the injector machine again. Going to take and break it down. I've got some different style pieces in there right now. Put my keeper in there. Swing my retainer out of the way. Pull the nail back over there. Swing the retainer out. And now you can pull this out. Now this is the other type. This is a piddle type of injector. Got these from the junkyard out of another Escort, but I kind of think they were the wrong ones in the car. Okay, I'm going to shut off the camera since I'm going to be getting solvent all over the place. Okay, got the injectors stuck into the fuel rail here, and now I can put it back into the machine. Set that down. What I have to do on these, since these are shorter and I've got a cutout for this, it goes down a little bit further. So what I do is to just fake it out until I make up an adapter for it. I've got these 1/4-inch tool bits and just put it underneath there and then bring in the lock for now, since it's not rattling around too much. And put another one over on this side. And then shove in the lock. And now we have the unit captive. Got all the... and plug it in. Okay. So now we have the thing ready to go. What I did the other night is I just took calibrated amounts of fluid and pumped it in there, and then every so often I'd mark it off in milliliters. So I got about 120 milliliters across the top there for a quickie calibration, and marked it on some tape and covered it with tape. So now I've got a good guesstimate, and the valves are sealing pretty decent. Still haven't reworked them yet, but after I get done with the wife's, I can have some time to get around to it. Okay, recharging, blowing air in the storage bottle, and getting a little bit of seepage on this one. Okay, we got our supply tank full now, so we can shut off the air on that guy. Vent our return. Drain down any fluid that's in these to try and get a good reading. Looks like a little bit still in there. Okay. Let's see. Get the... There, let some air pressure in. About 45 so psi, a little bit over 46. Okay, might help if I plug it in. And there you can kind of see this finer pattern. And it comes out as more of a spray from the top end there. And more of a mist. go for a little bit and check it at 90. Try and get this on a level. Get the bubbles out of it. Okay, they're pretty much on the money. The car was running pretty good. This is precautionary and to see if we can get any improvement on the computer readings. So let's turn it back on and try it again. And like I say, it gives a little bit better spray. Try it there. Yeah. Looks PDC. That was a good running one, and it looks like my valves are seating down on the bottom. Like I say, still have to rework them so they'll be more reliable. But concept is there. So I'm going to run a couple tanks of this solvent through it and then put them back in the car. So drain them down and put them in the rinse mode here and just let it run through. And this takes a while. It's like watching grass grow. But like I say, I'll run 3 loads through it. Okay, I'm going to shut this off and let it keep cooking. Okay, got the injectors back in the rail, got the new O-rings down on the bottoms, and about to put the rail back in, putting a new piece of hose on the pressure to manifold sensor. So I'll slip this back in and tidy it up. Yeah, with this piece out, makes it real easy to get at everything on the rails. It's like changing spark plugs almost. Just kind of tie this wire to the side so that it doesn't get in my way while I'm putting it in, and also took and blew out the area so I don't have dirt going down into the manifold. Okay, gonna have to have 2 hands to get this in place. Okay, have the injectors down in position, right like that. Now I need to drop in a couple screws right there, and another one for over